Here's your chance to win £500 with More Radio and Stagecoach. Take a trip on the Route 66 open top bus, find the lucky code and head to our website moreradio.online to enter the code for your chance to win.
From the 25th of May, the Route 66 open top service will bring you bracing sea views and a jaunty ride along the Hastings seafront between here and Old Town.
The service will run every weekend and every day during the school summer holidays, so prepare for a summer of seaside nostalgia and family fun.
So remember, for your chance to win £500 with More Radio and Stagecoach, all aboard the Route 66 open top bus.